It's really, really hot. So hot. Jorge got a new boat. He said, screw that other thing.
Hell yeah.
He's got a tracker. It's what is this? Pro T 170 TX. Do a little Mercury. Looks like a EFI.
It looks nice.
Or it might be just a carb. I think it's just a carb. Pro Team. Anyway, here's how he didn't know how to start it. So he brought it to me. First thing I noticed is you're gonna have to get new cables. Just look at your cables. See how they're all cracked?
Oh yeah. Well, that's how I'm going to ask you. Do we have to chain or?
Well, let's see if it'll start first.
Okay.
So, first thing, where's their keys?
Right there. Right.
Okay. So, where's our, so we have to have this lanyard into this. Okay, it's got to go just like that. So you may want to take this off because you're supposed to have this on your life jacket. So when you're going down the lake, that if you got knocked out of the boat for whatever reason, say you hit something or something like that,
Well, to get
this would be your kill switch. Boom, you go, because you're going to go with the boat. Okay, so I'll take on this. So it won't start without your lanyard switch. Here. So, yeah, most of you guys know this, but if you don't know this, you gotta have your kill switch engaged there so that, you know, if you're going down the lake and this is attached to your life jacket or your belt, when you get kicked out of the boat, then, so like if you get kicked out of the boat, then your engine will just die, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Instead of just keep going, because it could just keep going. If it does that, it could really, you know, might hurt your boat, might kill somebody if you just come back to the ramp.
Right.
So, all right, got that. Now, we're gonna pump up the bulb. First thing I noticed is fuel flow. It's going up that way. All right, we're firm, right? Turn on our water. Where's our key switch? Is it way over there? Of course it is.
Yeah.
You want to jump up there?
Yeah.
Here, sit out here. All right, turn your key. Now you're going to turn it on. All right, now push in. It's choke. And turn.
Okay.
One more time. Don't choke.
No choke. Okay.
No choke. Stop. So these old ones, they're carved like this. You have a little button right here. And you push in. That disengages the shift, and it puts it into a warm-up mode. So we're going to push in. You may have to push on the button. We're going to go like that, just to there, and then now we can warm it up. So now go ahead, just turn it. Okay. Just make sure we're still. It's okay. All right, try it again.
We chuck?
Yeah, choke it. No choke. Just do it straight. Turn it. Turn it.
Want to turn?
Oh. Try again. Just let it sit for a second. Might have flooded it.
Wow.
Sounded like it wanted a fire. It just sounded like it might have flooded it. I hate these ones.
What?
Fine. I don't know if you guys got that, but we got her on there. He just had it flooded. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. That's where your oil, you have to fill that up.
Yeah.
See if you see look at the prop.
Yeah.
And this is going to be your area for your live well. This is for your bilge post. That's for your lights.
For my light, I just got to push right here and light are
and
on.
then put your poles in.
Yeah.
And then that accessory is probably inside lights.
What's this?
Like inside lights.
Inside?
Or, yeah,
Ah,
or
okay.
accessory.
Ah, okay.
It was very hot.
Yeah, it's freezing.